Hey, how's it going? So today we're gonna do LeetCode Foursome. Problem. So given an array nums of n integers and an integer target, are there elements a, b, c, d in nums such as a plus b plus c plus d equal to target? Find all unique quadruplets in the array, which gives the sum of target. Notice that the solution set must not contain duplicate quadruplets. So yeah, basically it's very easy, right? The question is very easy to understand. It's just like to find in the array all the possible four ABCDs that adds up to the target. So basically your output should be a 2D array, right? Contain all the possibilities. So the algorithm for this is the same as threesome. So basically the foursome problem, so the algorithm is to convert a foursome problem into a twosome problem. Twosome is the first question on LeetCode, right? So it's very easy. It's O(n) time complexity. So how can we convert a foursome problem into twosome? It's actually not that hard, right? First of all, we sort the array. First of all, we do the corner checking. Length is equal to the length of the numbers if the length is smaller than 4. So if there are not even 4 numbers in the array, it's a corner case. We should return empty array because it's impossible to find the quadruplets, right? So we sort the array because we have to find all the non-duplicates quadruplets. So by sorting an array, it's easier for us to find non-duplicates. Okay, so how do we convert a foursome into twosome? That's actually easy. It's just 2 for loops, right? So for I in range length -3, for j in range I plus I length to length -2. What that means is that I is the index of my first number. I have 4 A, B, C, D, right? So it's 4 numbers. So I is my A number or the first number. So I can go to here at most, index 2 at most. Why? Because if I is here, then my B, C, D, all the 3 numbers doesn't fit, right? So I can go rightmost to this index because there are 3 numbers left, right? So that's why I is from range 0 to range length -3. So in this example, the length is 4. 4 minus 3, the length is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So for I in range 3 is 0, 1, 2, right? So this is the rightmost that I can go to. And j, I will start 1 to the left of I. So that's why j in range I plus 1, length -2. That's because my j cannot go here because remember we have CD, we have 2 numbers left, right? So j can only go here. So that's why I put length -2. So remember the length is 6 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So range 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So j can go rightmost to index 3. Okay, right now we fix the 2 numbers. So that's why I put number 1 equals nums I, num 2 equals nums j, right? And now I can convert a foursome problem into twosome because I know num1 and num2 value, and I know my input target. So the C and D, aka number 3 and number 4, should add up to here, right? Should add up to target minus num1 minus num2, right? So, and I can just call my helper function, right? So the helper function is just the simplest, like the two-sum problem of LeetCode. If you do not know two-sum problem, you should go back. So quickly go over that. I created dictionary. I loop through the dictionary, and I find my target num is equal to total minus the num. If target num not in dictionary, I records the index in the dictionary. Otherwise, first of all, I have a set called helper set. So I add the target num and num into my set,